ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम. In last class, we have seen Rutvij Shabda. Rutvij Shabda, it is Nipatita. Nipatana is the name of that Shabda. That means as it is Siddha Shabda. Means the Prakriya for that Shabda, separate Prakriya is not mentioned. Direct ready-made Shabda is given by Maharshi Paniniji. And along with the Shabda Rupa, it is also mentioned by Maharshi Paniniji that it is Quinnanta. Now, if there was any other Pratyay, it would have appeared there. But because it is queen, therefore everything of that queen disappears. Then nothing remains. That's why Rutvich Shabda or all those Shabdas which are mentioned in that whole sutra, someone may think that it is not ending with anything, but not. It is ending with queen pratyaya. What is the prayojan of queen? So queen pratyasya kuhu. This sutra is there. With that sutra, we replace the last letter of all these quinnanta shabda, any last letter of all this Pinnanta Shabda with Kavarga letter. So that's how we did this Rutvij Shabda. We declined Rutvij was declined like Rutvik, Rutvig, Rutvijav, Rutvijaha, Rutwijam, Rutvijav, Rutvijaha. And further, it was like whenever there was Ajadi Pratyaya, Jakara remained Jakara. Whenever there was Haladi Pratyaya, the Kutva took place. Rutvik Bham, Rutvik Bham, Rutvik Bham, Rutvik Bhi, Rutvik Bhya, Rutvik Bhya. Then Shashti Saptami Bahuvachan was Rutvik Hru. Rest of the Shabda was simple as it is. Then we saw Yujera Samase, this particular sutra. I think we did not complete that meaning of Yujera Samase. This file which we are using, that is not working. That's why I have created this new file.
It's not working for you?
No, means it is it opens, but whenever I'm typing, that time it is not working. Whenever I'm trying to type in it, it is working very slow, and there comes a time that it stops working. It does not respond only. It was Sutra Yujera Samase, and then after that Choku Sutra we had seen. Yujera Samase Sutra is saying that Yuj Dhatu, that Yuj Sarvanama Sthana, whenever the Sarvanama Sthana Pratyas are there in front of Yuj Dhatu, it is now Pin Pratyanta, so that is it is Kridanta, Kridanta plus Pratipadikatva Samjna. Pratipadikatva is there in this Yuj, and it was declined. Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya, whenever there was it in front of it, Num Agamakim. That Num Nakara, Anuswar, it turned into Anuswara, and then later it became Parasavarna. That's how we got this Num Yunja Yunja. Prathama Ekvachana, Sakara disappears by Halnyabhyo Dirghat Sudisya Proktam Hal, Jakara disappears as Sayamantasya Lopa, and we get this nakara. To turn this nakara into kavarga letter, we need pin pratyasya kuha. That's how pin pratyasya kuha was required. So that's why we solve this yun, yunjav, yunjaha, yunjam, yunjav. We did not complete full shabda, so here we will complete. No, we completed full shabda. But I will just repeat once again. Yung, yunjav, yunjaha, yunjam, yunjav, yujaha. Because whenever sarvanama sthana pratyas are there in front of that yuj, then only num agama is going to happen. So num agama happened for this 5 pratyas, and we got this yung, yunjav, yunjaha, yunjam, yunjav. Hereafter it is just as it is. Simply we have to connect yuja. And because Kaumudikara is giving like Choho Puhu will be applicable, so we will apply Choho Puhu. None of the other Granthakaras, I saw the Tikakara, Sudha Tika, which is there for Laghusiddhantakaumudi, that also is not using Choho Puhu Sutra. And explanation is not given for that particular line. Bhaimikara is saying that at the end, it is pin pratyasya Puhu only in the case of Yuj Dhatu and not the Choho Puhu. So, the Granthakara, though he has given this Chohu, so therefore we will refer here Chohu only. Yuj, Dhanabhyam, here. Jakara is replaced by Kavarga letter, that is Gakara. Sutra we used Chohu. Chohu Sutra says Kyavargasya Kavarga Syat. And when what is the Nimitta? Jali Padantecha. Either there should be Jal Varna after it or there should be Padantatva. So Yuj already has got Pada Saudhnya here because Bhyam Pratyay is there. So whenever there is Haladi Swadi Pratyay is there, that time it gets Bhasaudhnya, Anga gets Bhasaudhnya. So Yuj had, Pada Saudhnya, Yuj had Pada Saudhnya. So Padanta Jakara turns into Kavarga letter, that is Gakara, and we get Yubhyam. Same Prakriya continues for Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Uje simply we have to connect. No numagama will happen. Yubhyam. Yubhya. Yubhya. Yujaha. Yujoho. Yujam. Yuji. Yujoho. Yukru. Here the prakriya will be little bit long. So Jakara turns into Gakara first by Chohokuhu. So Yug Su. Then Gakara will turn into Kakara by Kharicha. And because of Kakara, Adesha Pratyayoho Sakara will turn into Murdhanya Shakara. And at the end, answer will be Yukshu. Then again, Sambodhana will be like same. Hey, Yuj. Suppose, okay. Prakriya will repeat for because that is the only difficult Prakriya or the longer Prakriya in this, longest Prakriya in this whole Shabda Siddhi. Yuj, Dhana, Su. Yuj, Dhanasa. Yu, Num, Dhanasa. Numagama will happen by Sutra.
Yujera Samase.
Yujera Samase. Then you, Nakara, only Nakara will remain. Ukara and Makara will disappear. Jakara is there. then sakara is there. This is the situation we have got. Then yunj, sakara will disappear by
हल्ग्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य पृक्तं हल्.
अन्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य पृक्तं हल्. Yes, there is some problem. Anyway, halgyabhyo dirghat sutisya pruktam hal. By that sakara disappears. Then yunja, yunaja. This is what we have got. There is sanyoga at the end of this pada. Yunj will get pada saudhnya by taking that disappeared sakara as sakara there present. So yunj sa is disappeared, but pratyalope pratyalakshanam. By that we take the existence of sup. Then we get yunna ja. Jakara will disappear because of sanyogantasya lopaha. Whatever is the pratipadika which has got pada saudhnya, if it ends with sanyoga, then whatever is there at the end of sanyoga will disappear. That's how jakara will disappear, and we will get yun. Yun, this is what we will get. Now, to turn this nakara into nakara, kavarga letter, we need quin pratyasya kuhu. So by quin pratyasya kuhu, this nakara, because whole huge shabda at the beginning here itself, huge shabda is quin pratyanta. Before coming in front of su, that time itself it is quinnanta. So because of that quin pratyasya kuhu, nakara turns into nakara, and we get yung. That is the final form. So he yung, he yunjau, he yunjaha. Yujera samase numagama will come. Nakara will turn into anuswara, anuswara will turn into parasavarna, and we will get this yunjau form. He yung, he yunjau, he yunjaha. So this is how yuj shabda is done. Now, the sutra yujera samase here. Only half meaning, some meaning we had left. Yujehe sarvanama sthane num syat. Only this much we have seen. That yuj dhatu, when it is quinnanta, that will get num whenever it is getting followed by sarvanama sthana pratyaya. So now there is additional that asamase. This is one extra meaning. Like that yuj should not be a part of samasa, or it should not be about samasa. Like there will be one situation where this yuj particular shabda, now we already have derived it from dhatu, now it is noun, it is krudanta, so therefore it is noun. It has got the pratipadika saudhnya. So yuj pratipadika is already samasta, it is compounded with something else. Then this num agama will not happen. Asamase. Samase num nasyat. Asamase yuji num syat, or yuje he num syat. Asamase eva yuje he num syat. Samase tu nasyat. So what is the example? So example here, the yunj, pure yuj shabda is done. Samasa example will come here. Suyuj. And for this suyuj, this yunakti is the dhatu. Yuj yunakti, rudhadigana dhatu, 7th gana. Sushtu yunakti iti Suyuk. So Suyuj is the Pratipadika that will be formed. This Upapada Samasa is taking place between Su and Yuj. Now this is something we in brief, if I remember, we already had seen this, that there will be some pratyayas, some tadhita pratyayas, some krit pratyayas. They will come if there is some other upapada getting compounded with one particular pada. Suppose there is one pada and we are supposed to bring one pratyaya. That pratyaya will not come unless there is one more upapada. And this upapada will come in the context of this particular shabda if there is this one particular pratyaya. That type of pratyaya is this pratyaya. Now here the quip pratyaya is coming, where suyuj, sushtu yunakti iti, here, sushtu yunakti iti suyug. This is the form we are getting. The sutra is this, Satsud Vishat Druhadhuha Yujavid Bhedachidajini Rajam Upasarge Piquip. This sutra tells that bring this quip pratyaya for all these dhatus. So all these shabdas like Sat, Su, Dvish, Druha, Yuj, all these shabdas are ending with quip pratyaya. Upasarge sati, asati, supicha upapade. So when there is sup upapada or upasarga as upapada. Yes, Swami.
And I'm just telling this sutra, everybody should remember, because this quick pratyaya comes in the definition of Upanishad. Tat is the first dhatu in this list. Tat Sudvisha Druha Duja. So Sad Upasarga, Upani, and quick pratyaya is there. So why, how quick pratyaya comes? Because of this sutra. Om.
Now this prakarana where these sutras are coming, how options are given, you see. Upasarge sati, asati. If there is upasarga, then quip comes. If there is no upasarga, also quip comes. Or some other subanta upapada is there, then also this quip pratyaya comes. So all the possibilities are mentioned by Maharishi Pandinji. I mean, for these dhatus, in any situation, quip pratyaya may come in front of them. Now for us, sushtu yunakti iti suyuj. Here, su is upasarga. And with that upasarga, this samasa will take place. Su, yuj, and then this quip pratyaya. This quip pratyaya will come when there is this su in front of that yuj. And then we will get this suyuj form. We know that quip comes and quip disappears, nothing remains. Now only su and yuj is remaining. Okay. Earlier, what we saw was just yuj. Okay, it was just yuj, which appeared in this Rutvik Dadruk Srak Digushniganchu Yuji Krunchancha. So there yuj also came. There also yuj came. But that yuj was just yuj. It was not mentioned that there be upapada or upasarga. Okay, it was not required. Just pure yuj dhatu will get connected with quin pratyaya. Whereas this sutra says that yuj dhatu will get quip pratyaya in the possibility or in the proximity of in the proximity of upasarga or in the proximity of any other subanta upapada. So this is the condition in which quip pratyaya comes. Now, even if quip comes, yuj at the end is going to remain as yuj only. Sushtu yunakti iti suyug. I have written suyug, which is prathama vibhakti ekvachan form. But if at all pratipadika we want to see, so pratipadika will be suyuj. This will be the pratipadika. Now this suyuj is samasta pada. Here also yuj dhatu is there. Yuj is existing, but samasa has taken place here in this suyuj. Whereas the earlier where this num we brought, there samasa was not there. It was just yuj dhatu. It was not connected with any other pada. And that's why it was asamasa. because it was asamasa, therefore as per the sutra yujehe asamase num syat sarvanama sthane pare. Sutra was applied. Here it is samasa, so yujehe samase kim syat num agamah na syat. That's what we come to know. So num agama will not happen whenever we are declining. So num agama was coming for sarvanama sthana pratyas. Now here we don't need to. So simple. Again, one more thing will happen. For that yuj shabda, prathama vibhakti ekvachana, to turn that nakara of num, we used quin pratyasya kuhu, this particular sutra. Also we used quin pratyasya kuhu for rest of the pada saudnyas whenever there was haladi pratyaya in front of it. That's what we did. But here quin pratyasya kuhu is not applicable. Never, because shabda is not ending with quin pratyaya, it is ending with quip pratyaya. Quin pratyasya kuhu is particularly about quin pratyanta shabda. Okay. It is about particular quin pratyanta shabda, it is not about quip pratyanta shabda. Therefore, quin pratyasya kuhu sutra will never appear for this shabda. Whatever will happen to this shabda will happen because of choho kuhu, this particular sutra. Choho kuhu sutra says that padanta cha varga will be replaced by ka varga. That's it. Padanta cha varga letter will be replaced by ka varga letter. This is one, and second meaning is cha varga letter will turn into ka varga if there is jhal pratyahara letter after it. Now, suyuj is the shabda. Suyuj dhana su. This bhasha me has stopped working, and I am not able to restart it. I will explain. If everything you will have to imagine only. I have not written prakriya either. No, but I will say wherever you feel that it is not clear, I will stop and I will explain. Okay. Suyuj dhana su. This is the condition in front of us. Suyuj dhana su. Ukara disappeared. Suyuj sa. Sakara will disappear by sutra.
हल ज्ञाभ्यो सुति दीर्घ सुति से प्रक्तम हल.
Anyabhyo dirghat suti se pruktam hal. Sakara will disappear. We will get suyuj again. Pratyay has disappeared. Pratyay lopya pratyay lakshanam. So we will again, though pratyay has disappeared, pratyay lakshanam we will take, and suyuj will be considered as subanta. So subantatvat pada saudnya. So suyuj is having pada saudnya. Padante jakarah vartate yascha cha varga varnah. Jakar is cha varga varna. So choho kuhu sutra will come. Sutra will say that change padanta cha varga letter into ka varga letter. That is the meaning of choho kuhu. So suyuj will turn into
गकार.
suyug. Correct. Gakar will come in the place of jakar. Suyug. This is one answer. Second answer will be that gakara will turn into kakara by sutra.
वावसाने.
Vavasane. Avasane va jalam charah syu. That's how suyug will turn into suyuk. So we will get two forms. Suyuk, suyug. This is prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Suyuj dhana au. What will happen here?
Simple melanam.
Yes, suyujau. Suyuj dhana jas. Suyuj dhana jas.
Suyuj. Suyujam. No. Just the same. Combine. Suyujaha.
Suyujaha. Jas pratyay jakar will disappear by chutu and tasya lopaha. We will get us. Suyuj, us, suyujas, suyujah, sasajutoru, kharavasane visarjaniyaha. By that sakara will turn into visarga, we will get suyujaha. Suyug, suyuk, suyujau, suyujaha. Suyuj, dhana
Suyujam.
suyujam. Suyuj, dhana out.
Suyujau.
Suyuj dhana shas.
Suyujah.
Suyuj dhana ta.
Suyuja.
Yuja.
Suyuj dhana bhyam.
Suyugbhyam.
Suyubhyam. Which sutra we will apply here?
Choho kuhu.
Correct. Chohoku. By that chakara chavarga letter you will replace by kavarga letter suyubhyam. Suyuj dhana bhis.
Suyugbhi.
Suyuj dhana gne.
Suyuje.
Suyuj dhana bhyam.
Suyugbhyam.
Suyuj dhana bhyas.
Suyugbhyah.
Suyuj dhana again ngasi.
Suyujah.
Suyuja. Suyuj dhana bhyam.
Suyugbhyam.
Suyuj dhana bhyas.
Suyugbhyah.
Suyuj dhana ngas.
Suyujah.
Suyuj dhana os.
Suyujoho.
Suyuj dhana am.
Suyujam.
Suyuj dhana i. Ni.
Suyuji.
Suyuj dhana os.
Suyujoho.
Suyuj dhana sup.
Suyukshu.
Correct. First, what will happen?
First, there will be the you will get the chohokuhu will happen. So you will get gakara, then gakara will turn into kakara by karavasane, and then by upadesha janunasika, sorry, adesha pratyayoho, sakara will turn to shakara. So kakara plus shakara will be kshu. So it will be suyukshu.
Kakara will not turn into kakara because of karavasanayo. Sutra is Kharicha Sutra.
Kharicha, sorry, Kharicha.
Kharicha Sutra will turn that Gakara into Kakara. And then Adesha Pratyayo Sakara will turn into Shakara. Suyukshu. Prathama Vibhakti is taken for Sambodhana, no any other changes. So Sambodhana will be He Suyug, He Suyuk, He Suyujav, He Suyujav. That's it. So that is Suyuj Shabda. So Samasa example we saw. Asamasa example we saw. Yung Yunjav Yunjaha, Yunjam Yunjav Yujaha, Yuja Yubhyam. Rest of the prakriya is similar to this Suyuj. Suyuj just did not have this additional num. Therefore, it was just simply Suyuk, Suyug, Suyujav, Suyujaha, Suyujam, Suyujo, Suyuja, Suyuja, Suyubhyam, Suyugbhyam, Suyugbi. Just like that. Just Chohokuhu was applicable here. Now we will move to the next Shabda, that is this Khanj. There is one Dhatu Khanj. Khaji Gati Vaikalye Khanjati. Khanjati means लंगड़ाना. लंगड़ाने को क्या कहते हैं? लिम्प ना. Khanja is
limp.
Limp. So Khanjati is limp. Now this Khaji, Khaj Dhatu is there. That Nakara comes later. And we get Khanj Dhatu, and then it is declined like Khanjati, Khanjataha, Khanjanti. Prathamagana Dhatu only. But original Dhatu is Khaj. So that's how we have. So Khaj Dhatu is there. Khanj is the Upalabdha Shabda for us. Khanj. This Num comes, but not because of this. Num has a different sutra. This is Idito Num Dhatu. So we get Khanj Shabda. Khanj is the Shabda what we are supposed to decline. Khanj Dhana Su. This is the situation in front of us. Num has come. Original Dhatu. Just remember, original Dhatu is Khaj. Num has come because of Idito Num Dhatu Sutra. So Khanj. This is what we have got now. Khanj is again ending with Quip Pratyaya by Quipcha Sutra. So Khanj is ending with Quip. Quip is Krut Pratyaya. Kridam Tattva Pratipadika Saudhya is there. Pratipadika Saudhnya is there of that khanj. Therefore, it will get sup pratyaya. Khanj, dhana sup. This is what situation we got. Now, khanj, dhana sup. Hereafter, we have to decline. What will happen?
Sakara will disappear by halgyabhyo dirghat sutisya priktam hal.
Correct.
And then in kanj, the jakara will get lopa by sayogantasya lopaha.
Correct.
And then so kind, and then that by quin pratyayasya kuhu you will get kang.
No. This shabda is not ending with quin pratyay. This shabda is ending with quip pratyay.
Quip pratyay. Okay.
In general, one in general rule we have to remember. Not rule, but generally shabdas will end with quip pratyay. This type of shabdas will end with quip pratyay in general. There are only few examples where this shabdas will end with quin pratyay. And they are specific, very special, and those are mentioned. So this Rutvik Dadruk Srakdi Ushni Ganchu Krunchacha, this is specific small number of words which ends with quin pratyay. Most of the shabdas will end with quip pratyaya. Quipcha, this is the sutra. Quipcha is the sutra. Sometimes those quibanta shabdas will be having some additional shabda as upapada, means samasta shabda will be there, like this suyuj. Or soon we are going to come that Vishwaraj, etc. This type of shabdas are going to come. Further also this quip pratyay will come. There are various different sutras. Different sutras will give quip pratyaya. Different sutras will give quin pratyaya. There is one most common sutra for all types of these types of shabdas is quipcha. And there are some specific sutras. Again, those sutras will give the quip pratyaya only. It is not that only one sutra will give same pratyaya. Same pratyaya can be assigned by multiple sutras. Common sutra for quip pratyaya, very general sutra is quipcha. Specific sutras are also there. Like the one sutra we saw, Sat Sud Vishat Druha Dua Yuja Vida Vida Chidajini Rajam Upasargi quip. That is specific sutra. Okay. Now the khanj dhatu, we connected it with quip pratyaya by quipcha. If there is no specific sutra, then we have to take quipcha sutra. Now this quip has already disappeared. It is not quinnanta. Sakara disappeared by, now the pratipadika was khanj dhanasa. Sakara disappeared by halnyabhyo dirghat sutisya pruktam hal. Now we got only khanj. Pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam, we brought that pratyay again. The existence of pratyay is considered there. And that's how khanj got pada saudhnya. Okay, it is not that since sup pratyay has disappeared, so it is no more subanta. No, it is still subanta. Pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam. And therefore it is having pada saudhnya. So padanta, if there is sanyoga at the end of pada, then the last letter of that will disappear. And that's how khanj jakara disappears. As jakara disappears, the num nakara, which was turned into nyakara, how it had long journey, num came as agama. Num becomes anuswara by naschapadantasya jhali. Anuswara turns into parasavarna. Anuswarasya yayi parasavarna by that sutra. And we get khanja. Khanja becomes khanja. Jakara disappears. Therefore, nyakara will not remain nyakara. It will again go back to its original rupa, that is nakara. Because nimitta paye naimittikasya payah. When nimitta is removed, naimittika also disappears. So naimittika nyakaratva disappears and we get nakara back. So we get khan. This is what we have got, khan. Now this nakara, there is no sutra which will turn that nakara into something else. Khan. This is what shabda, this is what form we have got. Quin pratyay se kuhu cannot be applied because it is not quin pratyanta shabda. Choho kuhu cannot be applied because Chohokuhu Sutra says that cha varga letter will be replaced by ka varga letter. There is no cha varga letter, it is ta varga letter. So Chohokuhu is not applicable. Khan remains khan only. After sakara disappears, chakara disappears, it remains khan only. So prathama vibhakti ekvachan is khan. Prathama vibhakti dvivachan. Khanj au. What will happen here?
Khanjau.
Khanjau. Khanj dhana jas.
Khanjah.
Khanj dhana
Khanjam.
Khanja au.
Khanjah. Khanjau.
Khanjau. हाँ. Khanj dhana shas.
Khanjah.
Khanj dhana ta.
Kanja.
Wait.
Yes, Swamiji.
After Sarvanama Sthana is over, so thus also we have Nakar there.
Iditonum dhatoh sutra does not specifically mention Sarvanamasthana.
So this is different from Yun in this regard.
Iditonum dhatoh is
Normally, most shabdas in Sarvanama Sthana they will have different rupa and
yes, Swamiji.
after that the rupa will change. So this will have the Anunasik also go
Yes.
everywhere.
Actually, this iditonum dhatoh, this will, in general, it will work for any type of dhatu form. So it will appear for this Shashtagana dhatus, etc. It will appear with Vindati, etc. This num is coming because of this iditonum dhatu. Whichever dhatu has this it, that will get num. That's how it is getting num.
Okay.
Nakara will remain. Num agama will remain.
So just for clarity, this is a part of Pratipadika itself. It is not a sutra that comes after the Pratipadika to give Numagama. Therefore, we are just doing the right.
Okay, I will tell the application of iditonum dhatu. It will give clarity. Any dhatu which has ikara as it. Any dhatu which has ikara as it. That dhatu will get num agama. That is the sutra. In Ashtadhyayi, I will open. Kaumudikara has not given. Iditah dhatoh num agamah bhavati. That's it. Dhatu which has ikara as it will get num agam. Now this nanda, etc. These are the dhatus which are idit. Granthakara has not given list. The some of the dhatus are given by this. This aki, bhaji, puthi, chiti, jambi, trasi, bruhi, ivit. None of we. This one is familiar for us. Vadi dhatu. At the end, it is declined like vandati, vandatah, vandanti. These are sixthagana dhatus. Here, all these dhatus are having ikara as it. Whenever we are declining, that time we have to bring num. Now, when we are supposed to do this num agama, as soon as we are taking that dhatu for any type of prakriya, we have to bring this num agama. So this khaji dhatu is already taken. Ikara has become it and it has disappeared. Khaj is the dhatu now. Now it will get connected with quip pratyaya, but before that itself, we bring this numagama and we make it khanj. And now we are connecting it with quip pratyaya. Quip pratyaya comes, disappears, then su and rest of the pratyaya. Yes, Swamiji.
So the dhatu will be called Khanj or Khaj? Khaji.
Originally, as per the dhatu patha, we are supposed to say khaji.
Acha.
But
Like how he has given Vadi.
but how we refer dhatus, like generally in Maharashtra, it is tradition like this. Our Guruji taught like this, that you have to memorize dhatu or remember dhatu like with vindati. That's how you remember. That's how they had to tell. They had told us. So with is the form after removing that it pratyaya, anubandha lopa we have to do, and whatever remains, that form we have to remember.
So you are remembering after Anubandha Loka.
Yes. Khaj will be remembered as Khaji will be remembered as Khaj.
Khanj.
And
But not as Khanj.
no.
The Rupa will be Khaj, Khanjati.
Khanj.
Or Khanjate, whatever it is.
So because these types of changes happen, therefore Khaj after Anubandha Lopa, whatever Rupa is there, that we have to take Khaj. And Lat Lakara Prathama Purusha Ekvachana, that form we have to take Khanjati. Khaj Khanjati, Gam Gachati, with Vindate. That's how dhatus are asked to be memorized.
Okay.
So this iditonum dhatu, this particular numagama is very general. General means that any this idit dhatu, it is going to get numagama. So we were Khanj shabda we were declining na. Tritya bhakti
Khaja.
Khanja.
Khanja.
Khanj dhanata khanja. Khanj dhanabhyam.
Khajbhyam.
No. Pratipadika is Khanj.
Khanjbhyam.
Form is Khanbhyam.
Khanbhyam.
Why? What will be the prakriya?
So first the
Chohoku.
yeah, no chohu. I here by nimitapaya naimatikasya apayah, that nya will be nakara.
Correct.
So
but nakara has to disappear first, because original pratipadika is Khanj dhanabhyam. This is the situation. Khanj.
the sayogantasya lopaha. Because now the padasanya is there, so jakara will go by sayogantasya lopaha. So you get kain plus bhyam. So because the thing has gone, jakara has gone, nimita apaya naimitikasaya apayah, you will get back to nakara. Therefore it will be khan bhyam.
Correct. Khan bhyam. Khanj dhanabhis.
Kanjbhyah. Kanjbihi.
No.
Kanbihi.
Same prakriya. Khanbihi.
Kanbihi.
Khanj dhana nge.
Kanje.
Khanje. Khanj dhana bhyam.
Kanbhyam. Kanbhyah. Kanjah. Kanbhyam. Kanbyah. Kanjah. Kanjoho. Kanjam. Kanji. Kanjoho. Kansu. Okay. And Kansu. Is there anything else? I don't know.
The Hanji, Hanjoho, Khansu. This is one form. Sambodhana will be same. He Khan, He Khanjo, He Khanjaha. There is one additional thing for Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Because it is Khan, no? Dahasidut.
No, Dasidut will not be applicable here. It comes there only. It is nearby that only. Form is Khansu. Khansu. Khansu, not Sh. Sa. Ha, na, ta, sa, u.
Nakara.
After this, Dasidut requires Dakaranta Anga. Therefore, Dasidut will not be applicable. Dhut Agama only will come. But Anga will be Nakaranta. So, Padantat, Dat, Tasya Dhutsyat. This is the Vritti for Dasidut. Padantasya Dasya.
Nasya.
Padantat, Dat, Tasya Dhut Agama Hasyat. Nantat Padantat, Nakaranta, Nantat Padat, Sasya Dhutsyat. Again, that too Vikalpena, Vasyat. Hema Pareva, from that Hema Pareva, Va comes. So, Dasya Dhut Vasyat, Nasya Dhut Vasyat. That's what the meaning comes. So, therefore, in one case, there will be Prakriya. Now, let's bring the Dhut Agama and let's do the Prakriya. Once we did Khanj Dhanasu, Khanj got Pada Saudhnya. Because it got Pada Saudhnya, Jakara disappeared by Sanyogantasya Lopa, and we got Khan Dhanasu, and we connected them Khansu. Now, Khanj Dhanasu, and here we are going to do this Dhut Agama. So first, what we will do, how we will do the Prakriya? Khanj Dhanasu. Khanj Dhanasu. First, Sanyogantasya Lopa, Jakara will disappear. Then
Nascha will come.
Nascha, Nat, Sasya, Dhut. So Dhut Agama will come. Dhakara will be there. Dhakara will turn into Takara by Kharicha. And once it turns into Takara, then Khan, Ta, Sa. Khansu. So this is another form. So Khansu, Khansu. These are the two forms.
There is one more form. Khansu. Akara also. Takara will become Takara.
Akara.
That is how they have given. But the sutra is same. I don't know how it's possible. Paricha.
Kharicha cannot make.
Maybe something is wrong in the Ashtadhyayi.
Because
They have given
Kharicha.
three forms. They have given three forms. Khansu, Khansu, Hansu. I think that thakar one is not possible.
Kharicha will turn the karya of kharicha is char. Char is chatata. So there is no thakar.
Must be a typo error.
Maybe or maybe.
But they have given that sutra. Maybe sutra may be wrong.
It's just a second. I will check in Bhaimi. ना ये PDF में फॉर्म नहीं दिख रहे इसके. In
they have
PDF.
not given.
Yes, Swamiji.
They have not given the forms. Of forms. Okay, we can move ahead. You can look at it later. If there is something, then we discuss in the next section.
Yes, Swamiji. इन्होंने भी नहीं दिया है. सिद्धांत कौमुदीकार ने भी नहीं दिया इधर.
Must be some mistake on their part. There are mistakes in this.
Yeah, there are.
Okay, go ahead.
So Khanbam, Choho Kuhu Sutra. This was dealing with this Khanj Shabda. Khanj Shabda is also done. Now next sutra. Let's read next sutra because new topic is starting. Here is the sutra. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Rujaya Raja Bhraja Chasham Shaha. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Ruja. Wait, I think I have made mistake here. One dhatu I have not put there. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Rujaya Raja Bhraja Chasham Shaha. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Rujaya Raja Bhraja Chasham Shaha. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Rujaya Raja Bhraja Chasham Shaha. Vrashcha Bhrasja Srujam Rujaya Raja Bhraja. And there is Cha and Sha. These are the two shabdas. Vrashcha, Bhrasja, Srujam, Ruja, Yaja, Raja and Bhraja. These are dhatus. And Chakara and Shakara. The shabdas which will end with Chakara, shabdas which will end with Shakara. By Cha and Sha, this is what Sutrakara means. And rest of them are dhatus only. All these dhatus will end with Kvip Pratyaya. Kvip Pratyaya will disappear. And again we will get Pratipadika, Vrashcha, Bhrasja, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja, Bhraja. The prayojana of this sutra, what this sutra does, this sutra turns last letter of all these dhatus and all these shabdas into Shakara. Whether dhatu ends with Chakara, Jakara, Shakara, Chakara, doesn't matter. At the end, all the last letters will be replaced by shakara. So mruj will become mrush, like that. Yaj will become yash. That is the prayojana. This is what the work of this sutra is. Now, this vrascha, brasja, sruja, mruja, yaja, raja, and bhraja, all these dhatus, this shaka, the last letter turning into shakara, will be for different prayojanas. Like for marshti itself, this is the lat lakara prathama purusha ekvachana form. Here itself, this jakara has turned into shakara by this sutra only. But this usage we will see in the tinganta. But for now, whatever the usages we will see in the subanta will be kvibanta only, because then only we will get pratipadika. Unless there is pratipadika, we cannot take it into this subanta prakriya. In subanta prakriya, all these dhatus will appear in the form of pratipadik only. They have to go through some or the other process. They have to become first pratipadika, and then only they can be taken. So this sutra, though the shakara vidhi for last letter, it does in many places. Here we will take only those places where it is related to subanta prakriya, or those dhatus, those shabdas are having pratipadika saudhnya. Then if there is the application of this particular sutra, only those situations or those avasthas are taken for discussion. Dhatus are here. This dhatu list I was preparing. These are the original dhatu patha. Om vraschu chedane. So simply it is said vrascha. Brasj pake. So brasj, it is when we pronounce it, it is bridge, because this samprasarana takes place for this because of kit pratyaya. Quip will be kit pratyaya, and that's how we will get bridge. So all these dhatus, we are connecting them with quip pratyaya, and that quibanta form we are taking for discussion. Okay, that is what is going to be taken for discussion in this sutra. Let's see Granthakara, what vritti it is said. Esham, vrascha, brasja, sruja, mruja, yaja, raja. Here yaji is there. Yaja, raja, bhraja, chasham, esham. Shakarah syat. Kada jali padante cha. Either jali pare sati esham shakarah syat. Padante esham shakarah syat. This is the meaning of this sutra. Now one by one shabdas will be taken. First, Raj shabda is taken here by Granthakara. Raj. Raj Dhanasu. Raj is already, Raj has already gone through the process of quip. So Raj was dhatu, quip pratyaya came, pakara disappeared, kakara disappeared, ikara disappeared, vakara also disappeared at the end, vera pruktasya, and we got Raj again. Raj, Rajru Deeptav, to shine, to glitter. Now Raj Dhanasu, because it is quibanta, therefore it is kridanta, kridantatvat pratipadika saudhnya, pratipadikatvat subutpatti. So pratyaya comes. So Raj Dhanasu. Raj Dhanasu, ukara disappears, upadeshe janonasika tasya lopah. Raj sa. Sakara also will disappear because of sutra.
Halgyabhyo dirghat suti se priktam hal.
Correct. Halantat. Sakarasya, soho sakarasya lopah. So Raj, again we got Raj only. Now here, Sakara has disappeared. Pratyaya lope, pratyaya lakshanam. We will consider the existence of Su, and Raj will be considered as Subanta, Supratyanta. It is considered. Therefore, Subantatvat, it has got new Saudhnya, that is Pada Saudhnya. Raj is not just a Pratipadika, but now it is Pada also. So Raj is Pada. Padante. Padante. Esham vrascha, brasja, srujam, ruja, yaja, raja, bhraja, chasham, esham, padante, jaliva, kim syat, shakarah syat. So now we have to bring shakara in the place of jakara, and we will get raj turning into rash. Rash. Now this is what we have got as per this karya of this sutra. Again, one more sutra will be applicable, that is Jhalan Jashwante. Jhal letters will be replaced by Jash if they are at the end of Pada. So there is a Jhal letter that is Sh, Jabha Gadadha, Jabha Gadadha, Khapa Chatata Chatata, Kapa, Sh, Sa, Hal. So between Hal means in this Jhal Pratyahara, Shakara letter is there. Shakara is supposed to be replaced by Jash Pratyahara letter. Most similar Jash Pratyahara letter for Shakara is Dakara. Jabagada. Dakara is the most similar. That is Murdhanya letter. Shakara is Murdhanya. Rest of the letters have different Uchcharana sthan. So Shakara will be replaced by Dakara. We will get Rad. This is one form. Rad is one of the answer. Again, Dakara will turn into Takara by Sutra
Vavasane.
Vavasane. We will get second form, that is Rat. So Rat, Rad, these two forms. And then the rest of the Shabda will continue. I think we will stop here. Should we do Shanti Pada Swami here?
Yes, but Narayan, you have to find out how this Google Doc is not working.
Yes, Swami. Yes, Swami. I will do something. It's today's class.
You have to figure it out, and before next session, like sometime Saturday, Sunday, you let us know that this is working.
Yes, Swami. Yes.
So you have to, and then whatever that you have put in these other documents here, there, cut paste and make everything in that Laghusiddhantakaumudi document too.
Yes, Swami. I will put that everything in single file. Yes.
Not everything in single. That first part was different. Second part that we started with Hodaha. Right? So that all also should be together. Like yesterday's session, then this today's session. It's all discrete here and there.
Yes, Swami. I will put that in the single file.
Okay. Okay, Om.
Shanti Patha. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Hari Om. Hari Om Sam.
Naranji, mostly when these things happen,